Good day, everyone. I got a battery in. I'm going to put into a friend's golf cart. So this is the Vatrer. That name always seems weird. Vatrer. The Vatrer 51 point something, 51.2 volt, 105 amp hour. So let's unbox this bad boy and see what we got. Okay. Really thick cardboard here. Really heavy constructed. Nice and sturdy. Like really thick. I don't know if you can see that, but shit, that's just over 3/8, I'd say. 3/8 for sure. Okay. And just so you know, this whole thing, I might have to move the camera here a little bit for you. Just so you know, the whole thing is, oh, that's better, is 100 pounds. The battery itself is. So definitely it's got some weight. So the total shipping with all the other stuff, I don't even know, I'm guessing, but be quite a bit more. Nice and thick. Wow, that's really dense material, dense styrofoam. That's protected very well. Check. Okay, so we have our booklets, a warranty card, instructions. You can see inside there. Sorry, I keep moving it, but I just want to make sure you get a good shot. Okay. Now, let's see here. We got some boxes. That's a spacer. Okay, let's open these up. Oh, what do we got here? This. Okay, so that's for our LCD screen. And some mounting hardware inside. Let's see the screen itself. It's wedged into the packing pretty good. Okay, yeah. Okay, so there's our LCD screen. Put all this kind of back in. Hopefully within a day or two I'll be installing this, so I'm not too worried about that. But so there's our LCD screen. We'll put that to the side. Let's see what we got in our other box here. I'm guessing the charger, because it comes with the LCD and the charger. Okay. Again, packed very well. Dense materials, heavy, really packed really well around it. It was built to ship, that's for sure. Okay, our cord. Our user manual. It says manual, but just some quick explanations of the LED status and whatnot on the charger itself. Wow, if we can get this out of the box, looks like the whole thing's got to come out. Okay, well, there's our connector. Our positive, negative. Nice. Let's see the charger itself here. Wow, that's hefty. It is really in there. There we go. there's our charger. I know that when you install these, I did a 36-volt one. Make sure these get really warm. So make sure you don't have anything right up against them. But yeah, looks in good shape, good condition. Sturdy, really hefty. It's a really sturdy unit. Like I said, I did a 36-volt on my own golf cart. You can actually find the video for that. But I was impressed enough that I stuck with this brand. And I've been using my 36-volt one for, well, I installed it last year during the summer, and this is early spring. So I've, say, half a year's use on it, and been very happy with it. So hopefully, knock on wood or knock on battery, that we get the same result from this bad boy. Okay. See if we can lift this out in one shot. I don't even know it's gonna stick. It's gonna, oh, it's catching a bit. My back's gonna feel that tomorrow. That wasn't free. So let's see. Okay, I'll open this up. Oh, your do not eat packs. Okay, see if I can turn this around a little bit. Show you the. Okay. So let me grab the phone and just show you what we got now. Since it's unpacked. Well, I got the right battery, so that's a good start. 51.2 volt and 105 amp hour. Okay. Nice little caps that come onto your terminals. Your positive and your negative. Where you turn it on. Oh, I heard the battery click on. That's a good sign. Heard it click off. Bluetooth. Little baby antenna there. Nothing to do with that other than make sure you don't knock that off. The port that heads up to your LCD screen, your monitor that you mount up on your dash. Little vent, and we're good to go. Hope that was useful to anyone thinking about buying, to see what it actually, how it is shipped. Overall, it is heavy. It is made very well. My 36-volt one worked very well, and I'm very pleased with it. And the shipping wise, you can see this is it's sturdy. It's a very dense material, very thick cardboard. It is shipped very well. So hopefully that helps if you have any questions on this. There you go. Have a great day, and hopefully you get one for your golf cart, and let me know how it goes.